There's a lot of trash.
Lots of boxes.
Potatoes.
Half a bag of potatoes. A few bananas in here.
Salad.
Not really a lot of anything.
Broccoli.
Pears.
Strawberries.
It's just like one of everything. There's one pear, one grapes, one salad bag.
These bananas are still good. Okay. Not too broken. Oh, oatmeal. Salad. Goat cheese. There's flour. Not open. Okay, you can grab that one. Something in here in the can, but they removed the label. Caramel, popcorn. There's a lot of popcorn here. This one is kind of wet, but it's low sugar cereal. Bananas. Magaganda pa yung banana eh. Sayang. Pinapon na nila. Oh, there's a lot of cans again.
There's a bunch of milk down there.
Yep. This one is in my way. Okay, this one is getting full, Mama. I can start grabbing it. Adult dog food. Okay. Mga dog food.
Oh.
There's a lot.
Yeah, there is. I see 2, 3 more. Yeah, right there. 1. And right on top of that, green milk.
Yep. There's more.
Another one right there. It's like a whole case of it?
Looks like it.
Wow.
Yeah. It's like whole case. There's like more in there. I can't reach anymore. There's more. This one is open. This is open.
It's not full.
It looks like it's open. It's in the way.
This 19 cans of dog food so far.
And there's more. It has nail. Bag of goodies, cookies, you can open chips, and open chips, brownies, there's meat also. That doesn't look good. Wow. Like whole case of strawberry. Glass is broken. Maybe the others are not. The glass is kind of broken a little bit.
Open.
A little bit. Cake.
There's something easy home there under those two boxes on your right. That big sideways box on your right.
Yeah, I saw this brown box.
Gray box.
No.
Easy home.
This box, nothing inside. Maybe under it, there's a Tupperware. Maybe clear. There's a looks like Tupperware or something. More dog food. Yep.
That's the whole thing.
Ito. Nangawit yung paa ko. More dog food. Okay, there's more dog food for donation.
Jeez.
Maybe 10.
One of them has a dent. None of the others even have anything wrong with them.
Looks like there's a box in here of something. There's 2 more, but I need to clear out this space. Still 2 more in there. The onion and mayonnaise. Oh, this pizza is ripped up. Disco ball. It's still inside. Butas yung pizza. There's eggs too. Okay, so ang mga nakuha ay may brownies mix. Sarado pa yung box. Maganda pa siya. And chocolate chip cookie mix. Tarts. May ilang piraso sa loob pero hindi pa ito mga expired. Itong maple and brown sugar. Oatmeal, hindi pa ito ma-expired. Bukas nyo lang yung box. Itong another oatmeal. So, 2 box. 2 boxes ng oatmeal. May trail mix. Sarado pa to eh. Wala namang butas. So, hindi ko alam ba tinapon. And may popcorn. Mix of caramel and spicy cheddar. Meron ding white cheddar cheese, popcorn. My cake. Lemon. Moist and delicious cake. 7-Up. Meron ding muffins. Mga maliliit na muffins. Sarado pa siya oh. And champagne glass. Itong isa basag. Sana yung iba hindi basag sa loob. So, tinapon kasi basag yung naka-display. 4 pieces. Isang set siya. And then, meron din itong disco ball. Nandyan pa sa loob. May nag-return siguro nito. Kaya, tinapon na lang nila. Pero andyan pa siya sa loob, oh. Sana gumagana. Pang disco, party. And flour. Itong flour, wala namang butas. So, hindi ko alam ba tinapon. Okay pa siya. So, ayan. Okay, so ito pa yung ibang nakuha, mga salad. May baby cucumber, 1 bag. And then, Gala apple. 1 bag. Magaganda pa sa loob. May 3 bags of broccoli. And then, sweet butter salad, 3 bags. Spring mix, 3 bags. May green apples. Pero mukhang marami na tong pasa-pasa yung green apples. May pears, green pears, 1 bag. And another container ng pang salad. Grapes, 1 bag of grapes. 1 bag chopped kale. And strawberries. Yung iba hindi na maganda yung strawberries, mga bulok na. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 containers ng strawberries. So, ayan.
Mommy, look at this.
So, ayan sa malapitan. Maingay yung anak ko. So, ayan lahat yung dog food na nakuha. Ang dami. So, ito 30 piraso lahat. And then, ito 19. So, 49 piraso. And then, may mga naiwan pa dong, mga siguro, mga nasa 10 pa yung naiwan doon. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Hindi pa to expired eh. 2 years pa. Or next year pa mag-i-expired. So, beef and chicken recipe. Pagkain ng aso. Ewan ko ba tinapon? Walang dent yung mga lata. Ito, hindi ito, iba ito. Hindi ko alam kung ano nasa loob. Parang green beans ata or what. Green peas. Pero walang label eh. Tinanggal nila. So, yan lahat yung mga dog food na nakuha. Pagkarami-raming dog food. So, heavy cream. Hindi pa expired.